Hello crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and it's like a December daily, isn't it? It's a fun December daily though. I hope you're enjoying the journey with me because now we're on the 7th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. This is like if somebody was giving me a gift every day. So it's my Spellbinders true love. Oh, I know I'm watching too much Christmas movies, I know. On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Poke that little hole. And let's see what goodies are revealed. I may have to turn this sideways. All right, I'm going to make you guys nauseous, but I have to turn it upside down to get my finger in there. There we go. All right, got it started. And let's see the goodies. Oh, it's a stencil. Love, I can see some polka dots. I love a good polka dot. On day 7, we have a stencil. Almost 3.5 inch stencil. So you get some big polka dots. Looks like it's like in 4 quadrants. And then you also get some medium-sized polka dots. And then this one here, which I really think is just like falling snow. Oh, let's see, can they layer up? They look like they can layer up like a... Yeah, it could do that. So you could do 2 layers with this one. Let me see how this one works. I think this can layer up too. But it's definitely great to add that dot detail to your projects. You have a little sky and you want to add some detail. Definitely snow for the winter, but all year round you could do this one for polka dots for birthday and everything. So this is day 7. Alrighty, let's look at my example. Let's get started. And here is my December 7th make. This is a tween card. It's a funky, fun, playful tween card. There is a birthday coming up for a young lady, and I wanted to give her something that matches her age and style and colors that she likes. So this one you're seeing, pops of turquoise, black background, just a little spot of gray just to show the difference with the dies. Here are the stencils. So we have that small, medium, and large. On this example, I used the small stencil and the medium stencil. Now, let me start off with colored cardstock, and then I brought in Simon Hurley's Lunar Paste. I brought in the Gold Rush and Silver Lining. So I used the Gold Rush for the small dots and then the medium dots. If you play with the stencil at a certain angle, you can go with the silver without overlapping. If you wanted to overlap, then you would just turn the stencil. You'd have a little bit of overlapping like that. But I didn't want the overlap because I wanted the individual bubbles. It's kind of like a 1960s tween fun bright card. That's what I was going for, and I just stuck with it on a black background. So the black is actually acting as a neutral, the black and the gray. So I did the stencil first, cut it out. Now what is layering up all this goodness, these 3 pieces, is the postage edge circle dies. I've told you guys that I love this dotted detail. I also love the sizing. This is a wider card. Instead of it being 5 inches, it's like 5.25 inch wide, a little bit shorter than 5 by 7. I was thinking a square card, but as I was making it, I ended up doing this florals running at an angle and this postage edge shape along with the dot detail. And then, of course, day 4, the happy birthday die. Just can't resist that happy birthday die. Here is the day 4 happy birthday. And I just did a video too for the new release, which is the quilty release. And that one shows there's a Christmas die set that is available, and it's an exclusive with the Spellbinders Kit Club. I put the name here. That has that same font, but with Christmas sentiments. So that matches that happy birthday. And this one I did fun. This now is black glossy cardstock with pink glitter on top. And then these blue florals, it's a turquoise color. So let me tell you what this gives that 60s vibe. This floral set comes from another Spellbinders die of the month. It creates, and I had an example back here that I was working on and I actually didn't end up finishing it. You can use the drop-ins to create all kinds of edges. Do you want it just simple curve? Do you want to do the drop-ins? That's all of this here. Super duper cute. And it's a slimline die. Is called Universal Curved Border Set. This one usually goes on sale at Spellbinders, but it has some great florals too. And I thought this went well with the colorway and the style of the floral. Has that fun look. I used this one, and this one right there. And then I pulled out the Crystal Mix Gems. Here I have the solid crystals right here. Then some of the more opaque, which is like the opal around here. And then this is from my stash. I'll put a link for this. I call it Sparkle Gem. So cute. And then in the background, I pulled out that embossing folder from Spellbinders' birthday release earlier this year. It's called Hand Drawn Scallops. Oversized embossing folder. This is a 2D embossing folder. One is an oversized embossing folder with this scallop. You can use it either going this way, or in my case, I did the scallop going downwards, which I love. It just depends on what you're working on and which way looks best to you. Options. Alrighty, crafters. So this is my big card from a small stencil. Thanks so much for watching day 7. I will link everything below. And it's all on 110-pound black cardstock, okay? Until December 8th, stay crafty, my friends. Bye!